To use many of the features of Google Cloud, you will need to have a billing account set up. If you already use Cloud in your organization, then this step may be unnecessary, but if this is your first time using Cloud, then you'll follow these steps. Choose Billing from the side menu, click Link a billing account, and then Create a billing account. Select your country from the drop-down menu, then read and accept the terms of service. On this next page, enter your organization's details. The easiest way to get started is by adding a debit or a credit card. The card won't be charged unless you later opt in for a charge service and enable automatic billing. It is just being used at this stage to check you're a real person. I've blurred out my card details in this video, but you should be able to follow along. When you first link a billing account, you'll be given a credit of $300 to trial the various cloud products. For this project though, we will only be using products in the free tier, which are not charged. And that's it.